All right, so up to this point, we've looked at inner joins and outer joins, and now I want to look at something called a cross join, which is inherently different than the inner or outer join because basically what a cross join does is it combines every row with one table with every row of the other table. So like an inner join, if there's like 10 records that match the on clause, then you get 10 records back. Whereas with a cross join, let's say you have 3 records on one table and 3 records on the other, then it's going to multiply and you're going to get 9 back. And I'll show you what I mean here. So I'm going to get rid of all this. And so we need 2 tables, but I'm going to use, so we're still going to use products. So I'll say select star from production dot products. And then we're going to use sales dot stores because there aren't very many records in this table. Yeah, there's only 3 different stores, and then we'll see how many products do we have. 321. So if I pull up my calculator here and I'll do 321 times 3 is going to be 963. So a cross join is going to bring this number back because there's no on clause, or on keyword. So what it's going to do is it's going to take the first store and it's going to match it with everything in this every row in this table. So first you'll have 321 products with the store ID 1, and then you'll get 321 more this time with 2, and then after that you'll get 3. And I'll show you what that looks like now. Alright, so I'm going to get product ID and product name from the products table. So we'll do product ID, product name from production.products. Alright, so we'll start with that. Actually, yeah. So we're not getting much info back with this, but I also want each store, and I'll use the store ID. So I can't get that yet without the join. So we'll say cross join sales.stores, and I want the store ID. So now we're going to get a lot of records back. So there's going to be 321 with the ID 1, and now we're moving on to 2, and then there's going to be 3. So at this point, it's pretty obvious what is going on here, but I'm just going to make it a little more obvious with a order by. So we'll order by first. I'll do product ID. And then we'll do store ID. Yeah, like this. So we're getting product 1 3 times because it's store 1, 2, and 3. And then product 2, and so on until you have 321 products. So that's going to be 963 rows.